Whoa. Don't just think about those mechanics of it. Your whole body needs to ride. Your whole body needs to communicate with the horse, not just individual hands and legs. That gets the process started. I'm working Hank here, and we're working our circles and rundowns, getting ready for a show we have coming up. And Hank is to the point where he is a pretty advanced horse, also a pretty forward horse. You'll see him wanting to go. And I want to talk a little bit about you riding where you want to ride, at the speed you want to ride in, and your horse staying under you. We all get kind of caught up into the mechanics of riding. One leg does one thing, one leg does another thing, and mechanically how to make certain things happen. But when you really advance a horse to upper level, like Hank is in reining and cow horse, or upper level dressage horse, or an upper level time event horse, any horse, it gets to the point where it's less mechanical, it's less pull here, pull there, and it's more ride where you want to go, at the speed you want to go in, and your horse will stay under you. Somebody made a comment on one of Hank's recent videos that he could practically read my mind, and he practically can. Right there, I looked left, he turned left. I didn't really do anything else other than look left, I rode left. You're never going to get a horse tuned to this level unless you ride at that level. Right there, he slowed down because my body slowed down. If you are always sticking with the mechanics of this leg here, that leg there, then your riding stays very mechanical. And you'll never get to the point where the horse can practically read your mind. So in your riding, it's really important that you not just think about the mechanics of pull to go here, leg to go there, that kind of thing. Whoa. Don't just think about those mechanics of it. Your whole body needs to ride. Your whole body needs to communicate with the horse, not just individual hands and legs. That gets the process started, but once the horse understands to steer, understands what your legs do, you see me work bend, counter bend exercises, all the exercises with him. Once your horse understands those things, it becomes way less mechanical and way more ride where you want to go, and your horse will stay under you. My mission for my training program is to try to make every horse as good as they can be. If you want to talk to me about sending a horse to me for training, send me a message and we'll talk about it. If you got to watch any of the dressage at the Olympics, there was a lot of really good examples of that. And there are so many riders out there on really good horses that would excel a whole lot more if they would think of their riding more as a dance with a partner and less mechanical. It's hard to make that transition because when we start, I talk about do this with this hand, this with this hand, this with this leg, because that's how it all starts. But you have to make the transition so that all of your cues get softer, subtle. He always makes that groan. I don't know if you can hear him or not. He always makes that groan. Now, that tells me he's ready to go show. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But anyways, when he does that, we're ready to go show. But anyways, think of your riding as less mechanical and more ride here and expect your horse to stay under you. And you and your horse will reach a whole new level. If you have any questions about that, put it in the comments below. This is Hank that I'm on. I'll put a link somewhere to his playlist on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching. That's him. He does that when he's ready to show. When he does that, we're ready to go in the pen. I never really lope him enough out here to get to that point.
That means he's like excited about it?
That means he's relaxed.